Alright, this is the second recording. Okay, so we've got one wall done out of 5. So we're going to continue on working on the others. So let's go ahead and turn off one. Let's go through the line. They should get a little bit quicker, hopefully for you. So we're just going to go here and this one should be very simple. So we're going to go to planar. I wish I knew the hotkey for that. So we're just going to go UV, grab that, W. Okay. And UV mapping, it should only take you less than an hour, so it's not, it is painful, I know it is, I hate UV mapping, but you definitely want to do it right. You may want to look at your model there, there's something going on there, so you just may want to pull that corner down, but it gives you a chance to see what you've done wrong here. Alright, I go to front view, hit F, alright, UV real quick. And oh, sorry. Okay, pull that off to the side. We know that needs to be the same size as that. Just go ahead and roughly scale it. You'll go back and clean this up later. Again, we're just going to do this quickly for the video. So we need to grab the tops. Okay. Again, you can alternate from that dot to the other process. Alright, so we go top view, F, and UV, planar. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this into position. Pull that down. We do a little bit better job of getting it. Wish there was a snapping tool to make that perfectly level. Okay, pull that W. Pull that straight down. Again, just try to go a little bit inside. You can see this is hanging off. You don't want that. Back in. Just a little bit. Alright, so we know that's kind of the same size. And then we flip it. Again, we're trying to make it as big as possible in this square area, so we can use every square pixel so it doesn't get small. That way we don't have to use 2K or 4K quality to make it look good. You want to make sure you maximize every square inch of that. Alright, there, that one was easy. 3. Alright, did we just do that? Nope. Alright, so this is really easy. Face. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Alright, put it like that. F, planar. Okay, I think you get the idea. This is going quicker and quicker. Of course, they're easy. Alright. There you go, side view, hit F. It's top view, F. Do another planar. UV. Right, the reason why we do that is if we just did that side view right here, this stuff would be all skewed. Just the way the camera will spread the texture, it'll just look like how a flashlight hits the surface. All right, so now we just need to do the tops. Sections here. Okay, go to top view, planar. Okay, that looks good. So we'll just leave that guy in here. W. And then let's go ahead and pull this down. W. Just gonna squeeze it in just a little bit. Probably a little paranoid, but I'd rather it hit everything correctly since we're going through all this process. Put that in there. We're done. Alright. Object mode. Wall 4. Right, go to our front view, face, UV, planar. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click UV, pull that to the side, and then we can go in here, do our tops real quick, go face, do a marquee, 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 marquee. You don't have to worry about the bottoms, we don't care, no one's ever going to look down there. Grab, so these are all our tops, F, and then we're going to do planar, bam, pull that up. Alright, now we're just going to do our sidewalls real quick. Probably can do that from a side view here. Alright, just going to grab this like that. Boom. 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 Okay, and then somewhere. Alright, this one's hard to see from the side view because there's an angle. Alright, be careful with your models. It looks like you got a double dot disease right here. You may want to merge those vertices, but I'm not going to do it. I'm getting lazy and tired. It's early in the morning. So we're going to do UV, planar. Alright, this is looking pretty good. So I put this over here, squeeze these together, and I'm going to squeeze us all down so I can fit all this together. There we go. Pull this guy down. Definitely need to squeeze him down so it's the same proportion as the rest of the. There you go. I think that's all 5 sides. Alright. Nope, I lied. There's one more. So this is probably the most difficult one because it's on a weird angle. Alright, so what I'm going to do is look at rotate Y. I might cheat here. So I hit, I'm going to write that down. Y, rotate Y. I'm literally writing it down. Rotate Y and then 45. So we can put it back. But a little trick, we can just cheat for now. Do UV mapping. And that way everything's nice and flat. Okay, now we're going to go UV planar, rinse and repeat this process over and over. The good thing is we're getting closer, and the awesome news is you don't have to do this. You can just use my file. I'm sure students will be excited about that. Alright, so we're going to just do a marquee. And a marquee for the bottom. And marquee here. This, again, this is for the top view. Don't have to worry about those sidewalls yet. Excuse me. Alright, so now we got, just double check it real quick. We got everything selected, front and top of these marquees. Alright, so it's going to go top view, F, do a planar again, bam, and right click UV. Same size. Alright, and then we've got one more, sidewalls. Probably do that from this view. Face to face. Just going to do marquees. Not sure what I'm grabbing there, but worried about the bottom. Take your time with this. Appleseed, I didn't like that one. Alright, got a little crazy there. Alright, so we're going to go side view, planar. And again, we're going to try to squeeze this all together. W, and make sure it's same proportion as the building. All right. And just kind of squeeze in. Do not overlap it, because once you do, it's impossible to undo it. You'll have to kind of almost start all over. W. Excellent. All right, we're done with all 5 sides. Everything's UV mapped for the building. All right, so we're going to do concrete, etc. Let's just go from the bottom up, so we know what the heck we're doing. All right, so these, if these were the same, that would have helped if we just did one at a time. I'm just going to show you how to do one, and then you can duplicate and delete the others. It's probably the easiest. Let's see if we do UV automatic. Let's see what that looks like. It could look like awful. It does look pretty bad. Alright, so let's just, don't do that. Let's just do one real quick. I may have to stop the video after this one. So we're going to go to face. Go to side view. I'm just going to do a marquee over these. Okay. Let's go to top view. Top view, F. And we're going to do a planar. I was hoping the automatic one. Now the railing may work for automatic. W. Pull this stuff out of the way since it's all wrong. Alright, so we got the top part of this. Okay, grab. Oh, we could have grabbed the top on the bottom here. Now this you could probably delete. Well, it's up to you. Alright, so go to front. Planar. Okay, you probably want to find some good, some sort of kind of a fabric material for that. That's all tattered. I'm sure that would be really easy to find. Alright, now we're going to do the sides. Okay. Planar again. Boom. UVs. Okay, we're going to pull that off to the side, but again, it's going to be tiny like that. Hit R. Okay, and do one more. I think the bottom real quick. I don't think we got that properly, so we can just do a marquee like that. Planar. Okay, just gonna move all this, shuffle all this stuff together. W. I have to skew it down. So I'm going to grab this guy and then skew them down together. Alright, so this is, this is the top and bottom. This is the front and back, so I am going to squeeze this down so we can get them all down together. Actually, I'm going to do that all together. Okay, so they're all at the same ratio. It's kind of confusing, but at least they're all kind of proportionate. Put this guy in here, hit F, get up close to it, squeeze this down, whoop, 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 and then squeeze it up, R. Alright, so I'm going to make this as big as possible. Hit R, W. Bigger. Alright, so our awning is done. Again, once you're done with this awning, you put color on it, duplicate it, move it over to here. You can probably do this all by hand, and then delete the old ones. You don't want to have to UV map each one. Alright, so we got roof. So we're almost done. Let me go ahead and stop the video here, and I think the rest of them will be on the third video.